Hi, today I'm making my honey lime chicken wings. The ingredients are my honey lime dressing, lime juice, a tablespoon of cilantro, a teaspoon of fresh thyme, one green onion, two garlic cloves, brown sugar, about a tablespoon, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a quarter cup of red onion, and just one sliver or one of a orange chili. And so I just chopped that up. And as you can see here, I start with my party wings, and this is about maybe 15 or 16 wings. I add the ingredients to the chicken, and then I drizzle about a quarter cup of honey into the mixture. Once you've mixed your ingredients well and you feel like the chicken is well coated, you will be able to decide whether you want to add additional salt or pepper at that point. I typically just add pepper to the recipe. If I was having company, having had this recipe, I would probably add another tablespoon of salt so it's well seasoned. But I'm watching myself. So once you have completed marinating the chicken, you want to keep it in a bag for an hour at least, maybe overnight. I highly recommend an overnight marinade with this recipe. It blends all the flavors very well. When you get ready to cook it, you want to lay the wings flat at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes or so, depending on how crispy you want them. Once they're done, you can drizzle them with an additional chopped green onion, and I add honey. So it is a sweet and sort of savory wing, and it's a perfect wing for Super Bowl parties or parties in general.